Hey everyone, I just want to come on here really quickly and show you how to access Imagine Learning for your students. You will be getting their login cards in your mailbox within the next day or two. So I just wanted to show you how they can access the program. Imagine Learning is going to be for your ESOL students who have an access score of 2.5 and below first. If we have any more licenses after that, then we'll try to accommodate as many as we can. But we like to get those 2.5 and lowers first. Okay, so we'll talk about how to log them in, and then we'll talk about how to log you in as an educator so that you can access the teacher resources that they have available. All right, okay. So you can just Google Imagine Learning. We use the language and literacy program. And so the cool thing about it now is that you can just scan a QR code. You don't have to be worried about trying to log them in or them messing up the login. So we're going to try it here, and they'll take their card any day now. There we go. And then it's going to ask them their name. They click yes. And then the program pops up for them. Okay? All right, so we're not going to go through all that, but that is how you get there. Okay? And once you put them on, you can sit with them for a minute or two just to kind of make sure they feel okay about logging in and getting situated. But now let's talk about the educator side. So you can see here that there's two tabs, students and educators. So we want to make sure we're using the educator tab. Um, Everyone, including the new teachers, should be in the program. I sat and entered all your email addresses. So if you don't remember your password, you'll type in your school email address here, and then you're just going to hit that you forgot your password. Just reset it and then come back and log in. Okay. Um, and then we're going to log in. Again, we use language and literacy. My dashboard may look a little different than yours. However, we're going to be worried about these things up here. Okay, so you want to click on teacher resources. Any day. All right, and so these are all the teacher resources that you have available to you, okay? So it's classroom activities, worksheets, reading text, graphic organizers, and any other things that you think will help your student, okay? So there's plenty of things here that you could use. They have sight words and comprehension, vocabulary, reading vocabulary, read along books. They have reading comprehension. They have different things here, okay? So let's just do this one, reading comprehension. And you can come down here and look and see what the different topics they have. So for literal questions, okay, if you want to do a small group with your ESOL students, you can actually play this and kind of walk through the lesson with them, okay. If you go to printouts up here, it gives you kind of the four main standards that they're going to be doing here. And then let's click on main idea. So for second grade, this is a paired passage main idea, and it's about seahorses. Imagine Learning uses Lexile levels, so you might need a conversion chart for that. Let me know if you need that. Nancy provided one for me, so that can be a resource as well. And so they have the passage, and then they have the graphic organizer that makes them do the main idea and 3 supporting details. And then it gives you the answers, right? All right. And then the paired passage was how do C's get around? Okay. And then again, it's Lexile level. And this has a few text features, not a lot, right? So that's another resource you can use. Also, if you come up here, back to the very top, and click on offline resources, and then go to all printouts. So this is going to give you all the printouts that they have that you would be able to use, right? Print concepts, read along books. Again, I'm just going to click on reading comprehension, and let's go to 4th grade this time. Again, this is a paired passage. It has 2 articles that they have to read and then answer questions. Again, it's in Lexile level, okay? And then they use a Venn diagram here, okay? And then it gives you the answers. So you can use these activities from your level 1s all the way up to your level 4s in class and take them for a grade. This is just a quick rundown of everything that they offer. I wanted to show you where you can find it on here so that you have access to it for your students. You can also use it for special ed students. You could use it for students who just need a little extra help or practice. So it's not just for ESOL students. As far as the teacher resources go, it can be beneficial to a lot of your students in your class. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to come ask. And Brianna and I will be happy to help you. So take care, guys, and let us know if you need anything.